This is the first in a series of videos. It's going to document Project Ranger. I just picked up this 1995 Ford Ranger. Started life as an STX. It's 4-wheel drive. Had the 4-liter with an automatic transmission. Nothing special. 95 Ranger. It's had a bunch of owners from what I can tell running a Carfax. It's very clean condition except for the mud. There's no real rust. Just a little bit of surface rust on the bottom. And relatively just a few little dents here and there. Got a 3-inch body lift. But let's see what makes this special. Inside, it's got some Explorer leather seats, which obviously have seen better days. But I'm just going to put some covers on there. Super cab, etc. Aftermarket radio. Let's take a look under the hood. Okay, so here's what makes this Ranger a little bit different. Picked it up with a 5-liter conversion done. I paid $4,000 for the truck, which obviously is a lot for a 95 Ranger, but to me it's a pretty good deal for something that has a 5-liter V8. Right now it's all-wheel drive with the automatic transmission. It's got the complete drivetrain swap out of a 97 Explorer, along with all wiring, body harness, etc. So everything was taken from a donor vehicle to make the project easier. My plans for the truck are to finish a few things that they left out. First of all, there's no AC. So I'm going to tackle installing AC. All the lines for the Ranger are still there, but there's no condenser and there's no compressor and none of the lines that run across the front. Right now it's got aftermarket exhaust, no catalytic converters. I actually plan on putting some high flow cats back onto it and probably some 2-chamber Flowmasters just to quiet it down a little bit. It's pretty ridiculous right now. It's just got true dual exhaust with the 10 series 1-chamber Flowmasters. We'll go ahead and fire it up and hear how it sounds right now. Runs really well. The donor vehicle had about 120,000 miles on it. Everything's in pretty good shape. As you can hear, pretty ridiculous right now. Also, I've got an ABS light on. I believe it has to do with the difference between the Explorer and the Ranger system. Although this did come factory with 4-wheel ABS brakes. So I have to try to figure out if there's anything that can be done to fix that. And also the airbag light's on. and that's probably because it's got the Explorer SRS module, but the 95 Ranger didn't have a passenger airbag, so it's probably looking for a passenger airbag that's not there, would be my guess. Dig into that a little bit further. The only check engine situation I have right now is a couple codes for not having the rear oxygen sensors doing what they're supposed to be doing without the cats, and there's an evap system code that I gotta track down. But this just give you a quick overview. I'm gonna make a series of videos on projects that I do on this truck, and we're gonna start with changing the exhaust and working on the brakes a little bit. There's a little bit of a pulsation when you come to a stop. I have a feeling one of the front rotors is kind of warped. And then I'll move into some other projects, like relocating the radiator a little bit and adding a automatic temperature thermostat to it. Right now it's just hooked up to a switch, although I've never had to turn them on. Even sitting and idling for quite a while, it has never needed the fans to be used. This aftermarket radiator is pretty oversized for the truck, so it's working real well. So like and subscribe, and we'll have more videos in the future. Thank you.